Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Bliss Crown. Here we discuss various ways to create second income and how to grow in life. I was getting a lot of queries on how to reach Amazon customer care as a customer. Hence, in today's video, I will show you a quick and easy way to directly contact Amazon customer care. So let's get started. So first, open your browser, go to amazon.in, go to my account section, go to contact us. Then you will get an option of have us call you. There you will see all the orders that you have placed in the past. Choose any of the order about which you want to contact them, or in case it's a general query, you can choose any order like I'm doing and just click on the random options that are coming to you. Then once you'll fill that, you will get an option of call. Click on it. Now there you are. This is your number. Click on call us and that's it. You will get a call within a minute or 2 minutes. They will also show you how long will it take for them to contact you. That's all for today's video, everyone. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!